Open application book worksheet 1.4. Section A. Write the consonants, the words given in column A in column B. One has been done for you. Do you know consonants? I will ask you one question. How many alphabets? Hmm? Hmm? There are 26 alphabets. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. Remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Read the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you understand what are vowels and what are consonants? Look at the given box. In column A, there are some words. From that we have separate the consonants and write in column B. First one, column A, cab. Column A, first read the letter C-A-B, cab. Second one, U-P, up. Third one, M-A-T, mat. Fourth one, T-E-N, ten. Fifth one, drum. Read the first word C-A-B, cab. What are consonants in the first one? C, B. Write in the column B. C, comma, B. Second one, U-P, up. U-P, up లో కాన్సోనెంట్ ఏంటి ఇందులో? P. U is vowel, P is consonant. Right? Column B, P. Third one, M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat లో vowels ఏమున్నాయి, consonants ఏమున్నాయి? M, T are consonants. Right? Column B, M, T. Fourth one, T-E-N, ten. E is vowel letter, T-N consonant. Right? Underline the T-N. Right? Column B, T, N. Fifth one, D-R-U-M, drum. D, R, M are consonants. Right? Column B, D, R, M. These words are complete in your application book. Section B. Write the names of the pictures. Underline the words given in the box that begin with the same sound. One has been done for you. Same words you have already learned in UKG. Look at the picture. Pillow. Pillow starts with P letter. What is the same sound in right side of the given word? White, pink, blue. Pink is the correct answer. Why? Pillow starts with P, pink starts with P. Look at the second picture. What shows in the second picture? Hand. Write the hand spelling. H, A, N, D. Now underline the same sound word in the right side of the words. Read the right side of words. Hat, shoe, pant. What is the correct answer? Hand starts with H letter. Hat starts with H letter. Underline the hat. Look at the third picture. Cat. Write the cat spelling. C-A-T, cat. Which letter starts with the cat? C. What the same sound word? Crow. What the same sound word? Crow. Underline the crow. Section C. Write the names of the picture. Underline the words given in the box that end with the same sound word. Already you have learned complete same sound words. First letter, first letter. Next, C section. You have underlined the words given same sound last letter. One has been done for you. Look at the first picture. Car. What is the spelling of car? Car spelling is end with R letter. What is the same sound in the right side of the given words? Read the words star, kick, eat. Which letter end with star? Which letter end with R? Star. Underline star word. Next to complete it yourself. Section D. Draw a line to connect words that have a similar sound. First one has cop. Now read the words given right side and match the similar sound. What is the cop similar sound? Hop. Cop, hop. Draw a line to cop to hop. Second one, sing. Sing similar word, ring. Draw a line, sing to ring. Third one, ate. Ate similar word, late. Draw a line, ate to late. Fourth one, cut. Similar word, cut similar word, but. Draw a line, cut to but. Fifth one, red. Red similar word, fed. Draw a line, red to fed.